Good morning, my dear children. How are you? Are you all fine? I think what I taught you have practiced at home. Today I am going to give you a lesson that is multiplication. In your previous classes, you have learned the multiplication table. If you have forgotten, then please recall again. Multiplication. You know that 2, if it is multiplied by 3, then how much you'll get? 3 2s are 6. Multiplication. So here 2 is said to be as multiplicand. 3 is said to be as multiplier. And the result is known as product. Can you recall it? Multiplication is a process of repeated addition of the same number. Suppose 2 is added 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is added how many times? 5 times. So the same number is repeated. Added how many times? 5 times. So 2 5s are 10. If you add, you will get here also 10. So multiplication is a process of repeated addition of the same number. Now we are going to learn some properties of multiplication. Number 1, commutative property. That means if A and B are to any number, then A into B is equal to B into A. That means if we change the place of the number or multiplicand or multiplier, then the product remain same. The product does not change. Suppose 2 into 3 we can write and 3 into 2. What comes? 2 3s are also 6, 3 2s are also 6. This is called commutative property. The order of the number here changes, but if we change the order also, 2 into 3 in place of 2 into 3, if we change the order in place of 2, we have put here 3, and in place of 3 we put 2, the product remain same. This property of multiplication is called commutative property. Number 2, associative property. Suppose A, B, C are natural number. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. We can make that group different group, but the product will remain same. A, B, C is equal to A, B, C. Suppose 2 into 3 into 4. You make this group. On the other side, you can make different group. 2 into between 3 and 4 you can make group. Grouping is different. If the grouping is different but the product will come same. So you see 3 2s are 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24. Here also you see 2 into 3 4s are how much? 12. So 2 into 12 is equal to 24. The product are same. See, in both cases. So the grouping of any two numbers, and after that if we multiply a number, doesn't change if we change the grouping. It is called associative property, distributive property over addition. In this property, product of a number and the sum of other number is same as the sum of the product of the first number with the second one. Suppose 2 into 3 plus 4 is equal to how much? 2 into 3 plus 4, 7 is equal to 7 to the 14. Now, distribution means 2 into 3 plus 4. You can distribute 2 to both cases. 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. Now you see 2 3s are 6 plus 2 4s are 8. 8 and 16 how much come out? 14. This property is known as distributive property over addition. Question properties number 4. Multiplicative property of 1. Multiplicative property of 1. This property indicates that any number, if you multiply it with 1, then you will get the number itself. Suppose 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Similarly, 1 into 7 is equal to 7. What is this? This is a elephant. This is an elephant. So, this elephant into 1 is equal to the elephant. Is it clear? Any number, if you multiply it with 1, you will get the number itself. Similarly, number 5, multiplicative property of 0. Multiply any number a with 0, then you will get always 0. 4 into 0 means 0, 7 into 0 means 0, 0 into 10 is equal to 0, elephant into 0 is equal to 0. Understand? So, this property is known as multiplicative property of 0. Now, I am moving to the exercise number 3.3. Question number 1, sub-question A. Multiply the following. 3, 4, 5, 2 multiplied by 47. 47 is the multiplier. It is a 2-digit number. So, 47. Here it is the 1's digit number. This is the 10's digit number. So, 1 time 3, 4, 5, 2 should be multiplied by 7 1s are 7, and then 3, 4, 5, 2. How much? 4 tens. That means 40. 4 tens are 40. Multiply with 8. So, 7 2s are. So, here you see 7 2s are 14 4, 1 left. 7 5s are 35 1, 36, 3 left. Then 7 4s are 28, 28, 29, 30, 31, 1. Then 3 left. 7 3s are 21, 21, 22, 23, 24. So, 7 1s we multiplied with 7 1s. 7 ones multiplied with 7 ones. Now we have to multiply with 4 tens. The 4 is in the place of tens. So 4 tens means 0 will come here in the 1 unit place. And 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20, 2 left, 4 fours are 16, 17, 18, 1 left, 4 threes are 12, 1, 13. See 138080, 138080. Why do we have put 0 here? Because 4 is in tens place. From 10, the 0 comes here. Or you can simply cross this one also. So now you add it. 4, 8 and a 6, 14, 4, 1 left, 1 and a 1, 2, 8, 4, 12, 1 left, 3 and a 2, 5 and a 1, 6, and 1. This is the answer. 1, 6, 2, 2, 4, 4 is the answer. This is 4 tens multiplied with 4 tens. Or you can separately multiply it and you can put the number exactly like this. So try yourself the rest of the numbers. The last number I'll do 1, question number 1, sub question number D. Here the number is given 6024 should be multiplied with 325. This is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. So if we multiply, 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, and 3 is in hundred place. You can write it like this, tens place. Ones place, 1 means 1. 1 place, it is tens place, place value. So 325, this is 1 place, this is tens place, this is 100 place. Clear? So first you multiply 6024 with 5 ones are 5. Then 6024 into 2 tens are 20. Then 6024 into 300 means 300. So 5 fours are 20, 2 left, 5 twos are 10 and 12, 2, 12, 2, 1 left, then 5, 0, 0, 0 and 1, if you add you will get 1, 5, 6 are 30, again 0 fours are 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2, 0, 0 and 2, 6 are 12, here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 fours are 0, 0 fours are 0, 3 fours are 12, 1 left, 3 twos are 6 and 1, 7, 3, 0, 0, 3, 6 are 18. Now you try to multiply directly here. You can put this number on the first row, you can put this number in the second row, you can put this number in the third row and you can add, or you can multiply directly. I will teach you this method also. 5 fours are 20, 2 left, 5 twos are 10, 10 and a 2, 12, 1 left, 5, 0, 0, 0 and 1 if you add will get 1, then 5, 6 are 30, because 5 is in one place, so 5 ones are 5, directly we have multiplied. Now 2 is in what place? 2 is in tens place. So we will have to put the value from this point. Here you can put a 0 or a cross sign on the unit place. So we will put the value from 10 place. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 0 0, 2 6 are 12. Is it equal to this one? 120480. 120480 means we can put a cross because unit place 2 is on 10 place. We will put the value from 10 place. You will leave the unit place. Again 3 is in the 100 place. So 1 place, 10 place, from 100 place we put the product. 3 4s are 12. The 2 will put here. 3 4s are 12. 1 left. 3 2s are 6 and a half, 7. Then 3 0 0. 3 6 are 18. Is it same with this one? 1807200. In place of 00 we can put a cross here also. 0 8 and a 2 10 0 1 left 4 2 6 7 1 8 7 0 0 7 3 2 5 8 1 9 and 1. This is the answer. This is said to be as the product. This is called multiplicand. This is said to be as multiplier. Is it clear? Note it down. Now I am moving to the next question. Question number 2. Solve the following. Sub question number A. Read the question thoroughly 3-4 times and try to understand the question. A shopkeeper bought 528 mobiles from a factory. The cost of one mobile is rupees 1635. Find the total money spent by the shopkeeper in purchasing these mobiles. So, huge number of mobile, 528 mobiles he purchased, and the cost of one mobile is 1635. So, it is repeated addition. You can do 528 times. So, it is easier to multiply rupees 1635 with 528 to find out the total money he spent in purchasing the mobiles. So, the cost of one mobile is the cost of one mobile is rupees how much? 1635. Now, therefore, the cost of 528 mobiles are rupees. We have to multiply 528 by 528. So, how will we multiply? 10 place, 5 is in 100 place. So, 8 5 is 40, 0, 4 left. 8 3 is 24, 24 and 4 how much? 28. We'll place 8 here, 2 left. 8 6 is 48 plus 2 50. Here 0 will have to be put and 5 will remain. 8 1 is 8, 8 and a 5, 13. Now 2 is in 10 place, so 1 place will leave blank. So 2 5 is 10, 0 will put in the 10 place. 2 5 is 10, 1 left. Then 2 3 is 6 and a 1 7. 2 6 is 12, 2 1 left. Then 2 1 is 2 and 3. Now see, 5 is in 100 place, so 1 place, 10 place will leave blank, and from 100 place we will put the product. 5 5 is 25, 2 left, 5 3 is 15, 16, 17, 7 1 left, 5 6 is 30, 30 and 1, 31, we will put 1, 3 will remain, 5 1 is 5 and 3, 8. So, now we have to add to find out the total cost of the mobile phone. So, 0, here 0, 8 0, 8, 7 and a 5 and a 0, 12, 1 left, 7, 3, 10, 10 to 12, 12, 1, 13. Am I correct? 7, 3, 10, 10 to 12, 12, 1, 13. 3 and 1 left, then 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 and 8. Therefore, the answer is, how much rupees he spent for the mobile? Rupees 86,000, 86, 3, 2, 8, 0, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 63,280 rupees. Is it clear to you? Note it down. Now, question number 2, sub-question E. What is in the question given? Read it thoroughly. A cloth mill produces 3,786 meter cloth in a day. In one day, the cloth mill produced 3,786 meter cloth. So, how much cloth will it produce in 238 days? In 238 days, how much the cloth mill produce cloth? We have to find out. To find out it, we have to multiply the numbers. In one day, the mill produce how much? 3786 meter cloth. Therefore, in 238 days, the mill produce, what to do? We have to multiply it with 238 meter cloths. What to be done? We have to multiply it. So, you multiply it, 8 6 are 48. 4 left, 8 8 are 64. Plus 4, 68. Again 8 will come, 6 will remain. 8 7 are 56. So 12, 6. So 2 will come, 6 will left. So 8 3 are 24. 30. Now, see, 3 is in 10 place, so we will put the product here. The unit place will left out. 3 6 are 18, 8 will come here, 1 will left. 3 8 are 24. With 1 it will become 25, 5 will come here and 2 will left. 3 7 are 21, 21 plus 2, 23. So we'll put 3 here, 2 will remain, and 3 3s are 9, 9 to 11. This way we'll put. So now the 2 is in 100 place. So unit place, 1 place, 10 place, 100 place. So these 2 place will left blank. Now we will put the product from 100 place. 2 6 are 12. 1 left, 2 8 are 16, 1, 17, 7 will come here and 1 will remain. Then 2 7 are 14, 1, 15, we'll put 5 here, 1 will left, and 2 3 are 6, 6 1, 7. So we have to add them. 8, 8 8, 16, 1 left, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9, 1, 10, 0, 1 left, 7, 3, 10 and 1, 11, 1 left, then 5, 1, 6, 7, 6 and 3, 9 and 1, 10, 0, 1 left, 7, 8, 9, 8, 1, 9, 7, 1, 8, 8, 1, 9. So this much meter of cloth the mill produced. Or you can write in 38 days the mill produced 90, 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 1,600 meter of clothes. In this way also you can write the answer. So this chapter is almost finished. Rest of the sum you do at home. If you cannot complete or find any trouble, you make me a call. Next day I will start the chapter division. Till then, stay safe, take care, thank you.